my lectures, I would like to make an introduction for you to Confucianism and maybe help you to better understand Korean history and culture. After explaining some of the aspects and perception of Confucianism related to Korean history and society, I'd like to address 3 topics that are usually not understood or misunderstood or overlooked. And it happens quite often that people, even when delivering academic speech, talk about Confucianism instead of Confucianism, so it's bringing a lot of confusion. In order to understand why it's so difficult to understand what the very word of Confucianism designates, maybe we should try to first understand what this word connotes, what ideas, images, and notions the word conjures up. In Western philosophy, metaphysics is grounded on ontology, which is the discourse on the being. It is the realm of the being, that is to say, the unchanging. The term metaphysics is more than often used to talk about some crucial aspects of Confucianism, but it can lead to a misunderstanding. Usually, we don't translate it in Western languages. We're trying to pronounce the Korean way. So what's the South Korean flag? It is the taegukgi. What does it mean? What does it represent? Usually, nobody knows. So, the taegukgi is difficult to translate, partially because of the taeguk, the notion of taeguk, that in philosophical studies we use to translate the supreme ultimate.